I'm gonna need you to raise your glass. I don't care what you put in it. Here's the nights that you can't take back. We live hard, but we love to laugh. We all thought that we'd get rich fast. Hop the plane out for greener grass.
So this is a recipe for the marinated rib roast. And the recipe is for a 5-pound boneless roast. And ours is a Costco, almost 11 pounds with bones. And so the recipe says to use a 1/2 cup coarsely cracked pepper, but it ends up being too peppery, so I'm going to do a 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to strain it out at the end and use the marinade to make a gravy. So this is the recipe. You use 1/4 cup black peppers crushed in a mortar and pestle. And to that you add 1/2 cup ground cardamom. Half teaspoon cardamom, 1 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon tomato paste. It's nice if you get it out of a tube so that you don't have to, open a whole can. And then it says 4 cloves of garlic minced. I usually do more than that. I think I do like 6 or 8. So my modifications are less pepper and more peppercorn. And then you need to marinate it. With a roast this big, I would marinate it for 3 days. Marinated it on a Monday night, and we'll eat it Thursday morning. And I have a giant brining bag. This actually is a little bit too big, but it's hard to find a 2-gallon. A 2-gallon bag is perfect, and this is I think like a 4-gallon, but a 1 gallon is it fits for a 5-pound, but it definitely will not fit for a 11-pound. Okay, so we'll begin by crushing the This is my husband, and he is doing the garlic. With you, actually. So this is a 1/4 cup of the peppercorn, and it's, it can bounce everywhere. So the thing to do is sort of go in slowly until you get like a base of crushed peppercorn, and then once there's some that are crushed, you can go more crazy. Otherwise, with this more than full soldier, not that big.
We always find our way back home. I'm gonna need you to raise your glass. I don't care what you put in it. Here's the nights that you can't take back.
Rub it in there. Rub it up.
All right, let's go.
We all thought that we'd get rich fast. Hop the plane out for greener grass. Found out the green is cash. Don't compare to the friends that last. See, we won't forget where we came from. The city won't change us. We beat to the same drum. No, we won't forget where we came from. The city can't change us. We beat to the same drum, the same drum.
Okay. Everything around.
So here's to the cheap sunglasses,
Effective
Red
seal.
Bull and minivans, and people who had your back when the world didn't